Hi, everybody. This is Jeff Gibby with Metastock. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for clicking into the video. Today, I want to talk about the AAII Conviction Plus with Ray Rondo. But first, just a little bit of legalese right now. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for clicking into the video today. Like I said just a second ago, I want to talk about the AAII Conviction Plus by Ray Rondo. So to start with, I think it's best to talk a little bit about Ray Rondo. Right now, he's an investment strategist for the American Association of Individual Investors. He's also their senior market technical analyst, and does a lot of their video education. In fact, he's done over 160 different trainings over the years. And one of the things, I've known Ray for a number of years. Raymond, I consider him a good friend of mine, but one of the things I've always thought about Ray is that he is a great trader, he's a great analyst, and he's a great systems developer and designer. I love the unique take that he takes on volume indicators and that kind of stuff. And I'm really happy personally to be actually working with Raymond Rondo. So, and if you're not familiar with the AAII, you can find them at AAII.com. They've been helping traders as a nonprofit since 1978. They've helped over 2 million traders, and they're known for their education tools, their sentiment surveys, their analysis, their research report, their commentaries, and their newsletters. And very well-respected, well-reputed organization. We're very happy to be working with them and appreciate their support in this project as well. So thank you again to AAII, Ray Rondo. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the Conviction Plus and what's included in the product. And one of the things I'm going to start with is really what I like about it and kind of the approach that Raymond uses in the analysis and in the methodologies that he uses. So the one thing that I'll say about this particular methodologies when we start to talk about the indicators and the systems is it's really a unique approach. A lot of the indicators that have been in use have been in use since like the 70s and the 80s and were designed a very long time ago. And they're still good, but with Raymond, what he looks at and kind of the things that he designs into the methods and the indicators that he uses, he keeps in mind there. So, overnight market activity, the high frequency of trading that happens, the volatility, and all that kind of gets folded into the systems when he starts to create indicators and things, investment tools. Talking about indicators, the indicators that he includes are, there's basically 3 unique indicators that come as part of the AAII Conviction Plus, and those are optimized balance conviction, kinetic conviction, and relative conviction momentum. So all 3 of these indicators are very unique. And let's kind of talk a little bit about kind of each one of them and what they do. So optimized balance conviction is designed to help you measure up-down conviction, is designed to help you as an investor evaluate trends, if they're likely to continue, if they're likely to reverse. You can look at it to measure divergences. It does a particularly good job at that. And that's the optimized balance conviction. Kinetic conviction is another indicator that he's developed. It's designed to kind of help you understand the strength of a price move. It helps you understand volume-related conviction and if they're meaningful or less meaningful or more meaningful. And then finally, the third indicator that's brand new and part of this AAII package is the relative conviction momentum. And it's designed to read, interpret, color code data to give you a more accurate representation of volume to help you understand the conviction of a movement with price, strength, and momentum. So those are 3 very unique indicators that are core and central to the studies that Raymond Rondo uses. Okay. In addition to those unique indicators, it also includes 3 unique methods. And the methods that Raymond creates, and one of the things that I really do admire about Raymond and the AAII in general is the scrutiny in which they create their mechanical methods and the methods that they use. For example, when Raymond was creating and testing these, he used 7 total factors that include consistency of returns as well as profit. And one of the things I do like about that is consistency of returns. One of the things that's very, very important to them is does a return, obviously that's always important in a system, but are those returns consistent over time? Are there big drawdowns? How do those look? And so a lot of the interpretation that he does is how well is this returning over time? Is it consistently returning over time? When they do performance testing, they test a 10-year period, and they include every single stock in the S&P 500. So they do a really, really extensive and very thorough job. The other thing that they actually did is they actually do, with this particular package, they send it out to a third-party verification company called Quantitative. And all of the statistics and all of the performance results that you can see on the site are actually verified by this third-party company called Quantitative. And very good. So in total, there's 3 mechanical systems that are included. These mechanical systems are going to include stuff like entry prices, exit prices, profit targets. All of those are very, very much designed with the idea of kind of helping you understand what to do in a market. So there's 3 systems that are included. The first one is the AAII Kinetic Conviction LT. LT stands for long-term, and basically it's designed for an average trade length. Well, it's designed for those investors that have a longer-term horizon in mind. The average trade length of it is about 82 days. The next system is the short-term, the ST system. It's perfect for investors have a shorter time frame or a more intermediate. And on a normal average trade length, when you're looking at the reports, which I'd encourage you to do on the site, it's 35 days is how the whole average trade length for the ST system. And then the last one is the PF system. PF stands for profit factor. And this is his most selective system. It's perfect for investors who have a shorter time horizon and who are willing to scan for opportunities. And I think that's important because it's if you look at the metrics, it trades extremely infrequently. And so with it, one of the things that's going to be very, very helpful for you is the ability to scan through securities to find those that have a signal. It's a really, really selective system. If you're familiar with Metastock, it does have a scanning environment, and you want to be able to scan for these PF signals. I like the idea of having a system, for me personally, that's more selective because I'd actually rather trade less often with more reliable results than actually more often with less reliable results, if that makes any sense. And as a trader, I'm willing to step over smaller opportunities to save my capital for bigger opportunities. And so I like the idea of a system that's very, very, very fine-tuned with profit factor in mind. And this is a good one. It works really, really well with our award-winning Metastock scanning tool to give you really selective systems. Let's say it that way. So I do also want to reiterate that all 3 of these systems include full integration into Metastock. So with it, you can kind of see here on the screen in this example, but with any stocks that you're actually kind of in, it's going to tell you exactly what the entry position should be, what your profit target is, and it'll alert you when you need to get out of the trade. Since the methods are fine-tuned, what you want to be able to do is you want to be able to use the Metastock scanner to be able to go through thousands of securities and eliminate those that don't have an opportunity so that you can focus on the actual stocks that have a real opportunity that's available in the market. And I love that about the AAII systems and the kinetic systems. They do a really, really good job of that. The last thing I want to talk about is the AI Proof Share Calculator. And this is a really unique use of the Metastock Explorer. Basically, with this, you can go in and you run a scan against like stocks you might be holding, stocks you're interested in holding. And what it's going to do is it's basically going to tell you how many shares you should buy based on your risk tolerance. It's going to give you the average down day, the average down amount that you're going to have on an average down day, the down change, the up change versus down change. This actual proof share calculator is designed to help you answer questions like how many shares should I purchase? Should I rebalance and how do I hedge against risk? Very, very unique. I've never really seen a use of the Explorer like this, and I really like what Raymond A Rondeau has done in terms of putting this together and making it available. So in total, the AAII Conviction Plus includes 7 indicators, 4 explorations, 6 expert advisors, and 7 templates. In addition, as part of your purchase, you're going to get the detailed training course on how to use it. You're going to get 1 year of AAII membership, and you're also going to get access to the AAII LRM portals to kind of help you understand how to run everything, how to use it. All of that is going to be included as part of the purchase. The purchase price on this, as with all of the products we do, we offer this on a one-time cost. But as with all of the products that we do offer this with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. You'll get a refund, but you're going to like it. And we do want to do that as a way to give you a good risk-reward ratio. So $14.97, one-time cost, you buy it. It's designed to be run in the 30-year award-winning Metastock platform. Money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, if you'd like to request some more information, give us a call. Our phone number here is 800-882-3040, and you can also visit us at metastock.com/saleschat. So I hope that helps you understand a little bit more what's included in the AAII Conviction Plus. I'd encourage you to try it, and we will back it with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you at another one.